Hello, vacation home buyers and rental property investors. This week we are in the middle of a 5-day challenge to transform this magnificent penthouse. And we have been sharing the details all through the week as we have gone through the renovation process, repainted and repair, and finally the beautiful furnishings move-in process with the install. Take a look and follow along. Okay, so this project was particularly challenging because we are repurposing some existing furnishings and replacing others with new. This single floor, top level penthouse boasts the most amazing views of the Zonaromantica in Puerto Vallarta. But a beautiful long bar here. We've got the electrician installing a stunning modern chandelier. Client's objective for this project was a cool, modern Miami Beach feel. And what was here before was definitely not that. So using their brief and shared images from our Pinterest page, we have already placed the furnishings for the living room area. I'm still working on the terrace, which will be an absolute showstopper considering these magnificent high floor corner views. Check that out. The famous sail view pier, unspoiled views, and then looking back at the iconic hillside of the Zonaromantica. One of the most unique aspects of this floor plan is this very long barrel style living room, kitchen, bar, dining room area. So fairly narrow in terms of the floor space, but long and really built along the fantastic bay views. Many of the things that we did here to correct the decor plan are not visible to the naked eye. Rehanging all the artwork, handling paint touch-ups, just one of the main projects that we tackled here. One of the most fun and rewarding aspects of this project was to install 2 custom art murals based on grass cloth patterns. We went through several rounds and several iterations of mock-ups with the owner to finally settle on this subtle, soothing, neutral gray pattern in the master bedroom, and we pulled out a direct color match from the threads in the rugs and the bedding and throw pillows, which you can see is still to come. The overall feeling of this room is super clean and super modern, super soothing, and we can't wait to see it completely installed. Another thing that we are doing here in this unit is kitting out the bathrooms with better guest amenities. We love these tempered glass shelves over the washrooms and toilets to add shelving and storage space, especially for guests arriving with dock kits and personal care items that don't fit on the vanity, 10x mirrors, extra towel bars and hooks, and a host of other details that really enhance the stay for visitors. Beautiful bespoke detail here on this solid acacia wood console with hidden drawer space and espresso finish. Really love how this contrasts against the softer, soothing tones of the decor, and then of course these blazing beautiful white views looking out at the skyline. Really loving how this matching pair of leather sofas pairs off and sets off the living room space here. Marble coffee table and some soft seating for lounging. It's really turning out to be this cool, chic Miami lobby the owners were looking for in their personal space. Here we have the guest bedroom, and it's an interior facing room. Another beautiful custom art mural installed. Again, color matching the exact tones in the rug and soft decor based on some beautiful grass cloth patterns that we selected. It's going to really tie in well once all of the bedding is installed today and we do the final cleaning. The texture and the color play in this room are really beautiful. Boiled wool, boucle, fabric wrap on the headboard and bed base, a really stunning solid acacia wood pair of nightstands with a wicker inset detail on the drawer, and then a terrazzo lamp with a nice emerald linen shade. Gonna tie in really well with all of the bedding once it's installed here today. We couldn't be happier with the progress we made in just 5 days transforming this unit during a very short break in the reservations bookings. We are reflecting now on how well it went and the proficiency of our team, so dedicated and so skilled at working together. Really a seamless handoff and the results look fabulous. Another view of the upgrades added to washrooms here. Over the toilet, tempered glass shelving, a new mirror to balance out the vanity space, 10x vanity mirrors as well, extra hooks and towel bars. This is going to be a much more functional, inviting guest room when we are complete with the process. One of the things we're super excited about completing in our phase 2 of this renovation is a complete retile and redesign of the kitchen backsplash. We're looking forward to the next opening in the booking schedule so we can get back in and complete this beautiful focal point for this stunning chef's kitchen. Take a look and follow along as we complete this beautiful penthouse and put it back on the rental market with Casa Hill Properties.